day one. We got the car prepped. If you want to show them the car real quick. We swapped on the new wheels. We did everything that we needed to do yesterday in order to get the car ready. So yeah, it's all about just going out and putting down some good times today. It's windy, but it's cold, so that's a good thing. Hopefully the wind doesn't affect us as much since we're not running that much downforce anymore. Group 2 is up next, and then Group 1, that's what we're in right now. We'll be after them. And Group 2 has some pretty good cars in it. I have to say, competition's pretty stiff in our class, pretty deep. So yeah, let's see what happens.
Alright guys, so we don't have any GoPro audio because the GoPro was acting funky with the new microphone I bought, so still got to work out some issues with it. The next episode will have some working audio, and I even think the end of this one will as well, but yeah, kind of a bummer. But first 2 laps of the first session, just kind of want to walk you through what I'm thinking, what I'm doing, since basically we have no GoPro audio. It's probably the best thing to do. So through the S's, I just kind of want to get as much of the track cut off as possible. So that means 2 off and 2 on, to stay within the rules of GTA. As you'll see, it's not really the cleanest of lines through there for me this lap, especially here at this right-hander going uphill. Need to be over to the right more for that right-hander. That way it opens up better for me when I need to turn in for the left-hander there. Just creates more space. Coming downhill, hard on the brakes. You really need to get back on throttle before the apex here, especially with a car like ours that has probably the lowest horsepower out of any of the top 6 that were competing. Yeah, by far actually, we were the lowest horsepower car. So going down back straight, like I said, it's important to get on power as soon as possible because of the lack of speed that we have, top speed we have. So this braking zone is very easy to blow, and I nearly blow it here. You're talking about like a matter of meters between the difference of hitting it perfectly and completely screwing it up. So that wasn't really the best of braking zone entries. That was a little late there, kind of sketch, but we still made it work. Again, back on throttle before the apex here for this tight left-hand hairpin, and I usually hold the carousel a little tighter here. First lap of the day, so the tires are probably a little cold still, but here we are through turn 18, and I just cannot get the front end to stick, and so it's not that bad, right? You don't see too much oversteer, but you'll see in the next lap coming up. I don't know what the heck was happening, but put the power down really nicely through the last corner, and look up at timing and scoring. I'm only at like a mid 18, so you know, I know I have to push a little harder here. Right after the bump, you get hard on the brakes. Again, back on throttle before the apex of turn 1. Coming down into turn 2, kind of overshoot that a little bit, but back over to the left for the first S. Cut the corner a little bit, cut the corner a little bit, cut the corner a little bit. You know, it's kind of a little sketch with rear engine, being the fact that you have to settle the car before you turn in, or else you're just going to oversteer and lose it. Get a little better entry on that right-hander to set up the left-hand turn there at the top of the hill. And then yeah, coming down again, heavy braking zone right here. Another one of those turns where if you miss your braking zone by a meter trying to push it or whatever, it could be detrimental to the lap time. Coming down the long straight, trying to figure out the aim's not working at all. Piece of crap, man. Can't figure out what's going on with Jason's aim, not picking up time, and then the GoPro. Coming in the braking zone, I see this Corvette slow on the left here, and I'm like, okay, what's he gonna do? He keeps moving the damn car. And sure enough, if I would have turned in, I would have hit his nose. I don't know what this guy was thinking. Yeah, No idea. I saw him look at me in his rearview mirror, or his side mirror, so I know he saw me. I just don't know what this. Yeah, clueless. So we made it still work. Try to continue on the lap, swinging way wide through that corner, and that's a really good corner for us to make up time on the competition because the acceleration on the RS, just basically shoots you out of every corner, and that's where we make up for the lack of power. So kind of a bummer that we weren't able to capitalize on that because I really think we would have been a lot faster on this lap. And then you see here, like I was telling you guys, just that teeter-totter effect of the nose just not wanting to stick. It just, yeah, I don't know.
You got a 2:15.9 in the last session. Looking good. How'd it feel out there on the first session?
Slippery.
Yeah.
Yeah. Aside from the Corvette walking me through the apex that's most crucial, one of the apex that's most crucial, exiting the carousel and then making that left-hand turn into that fast sweeper, the car was still on cold tires and it was just sliding. So if I could fix that, fix a few other areas where I was getting on throttle too early, thinking that the tires were warm, we'll definitely be the 14s.
Yeah. That's your goal for today, getting the 14s?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Off of what I just felt and what we just ran. I mean, we ran a high 15, but there was a lot of shit that was going on for that high 15, like that Corvette in the way. That Corvette stole at least a half second off me, which sucks, but I don't know where we're standing now, but looked like we were in third in this run group, which is pretty good for the weekend so far.
Another car was the GTR, like a 2.0.
Yeah. The GTR and the Corvette, no?
Yeah. They're awesome.
Did they show you?
I think he's cracking on the backside.
Yeah, I know. I gotta get it later. I felt good. It's just another stupid shit happening.
Yeah.
I mean, this time not somebody beating me, but more track stuff.
Hi, I'm Ian Laura. I love God.
Alright, fuck that guy. So we just got done with session 2, had some more incidents on track. I was projected to go another half a second faster, and then we got hit with a caution. Vehicle stopped with the crew, the I don't know, track crew on track. So I had to slow down, killed that lap, and then the following lap followed it up with just sending it through there. And when I pulled off, they told me, hey, next time you need to chill out until these people leave off the track. So no improvements. I think we're gonna call it for today. There's no point in putting more wear and tear on the car. It's only getting hotter now, and yeah, we'll save everything for tomorrow with another fresh set of stickers, and then yeah, send it. I think we can get into the 14s. I honestly think we could do it. Everything just needs to click up and go well for us. So I'll keep you guys updated later today with where we're at, but currently still in first, right? By 2 seconds, but we're far from done.
2 hours later.
All right, so getting ready for the 4th session. We're not really going out to set any lap times. We may have left some time on the table today by skipping the 3rd session, but it is what it is. So 4th session, we're just gonna go scrubbing our new tires for tomorrow. Just on the out lap, just make sure they're all nice and ready for tomorrow. And then, yeah, we'll get ready to run it tomorrow with everything fresh. So, yeah, currently sitting in P1. Currently sitting in P1 by 4/10. We have our own time to make up as well. So those guys can continuously get faster, but we're also gonna get faster as well. So I'm not really stressing too much on that. Trying to keep my confidence up. Trying to make sure everything's ready to go for the car. And tomorrow we'll come out swinging and hopefully take home a dub. We'll see.